Hey guys, it's Skyler with Turtle AV, and today I want to show you our dual-channel Dante to XLR converter. This is just one of the 6 adapters in this line. They're all TAA compliant, they all have a 3-year warranty, and they all have a 90% recycled hard plastic case. This adapter takes 2 Dante streams off of your network and converts them to 2 Analog XLR outputs. Each channel has a physical gain adjustment, and it has a genuine Dante Ultimo chipset, which means it's not only compatible with the Dante hardware that you know and love, but also the Dante software you're already familiar with. So first, power the adapter with either USB-C or PoE, connect it to your network, and notice we're using an AV line Netgear switch. That is because they have a preset that will set the network traffic up for Dante audio. Now connect your XLR output and route your Dante streams. We have a lot of Dante-enabled devices here at Turtle AV, so check us out at turtleav.com. Like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with any new products and any new features.